Today I'm excited to share with you two limited edition campaign packages featuring our domino joiners. The first one has a DF500. This set's going to include an assortment of the tenons. These are the beech tenons in 4, 6, 8, and 10 millimeter thicknesses, as well as a 5-piece cutter set that goes with the Domino 500. And of course it includes the machine itself, the DF500. In addition, it'll include the trim stop, which goes on the faceplate or fence of the domino. This is great for repeated cuts and narrow stock, and the handrail fins, which is great for round stock. Likewise, we have the DF700, also known as the Domino XL. This will come with a tenon set. These are also beech tenons. These are both 8 and 10 millimeter thickness and includes the appropriate cutters for those sizes, as well as the DF700 or Domino XL itself. And just like the 500 set, this will include both the trim stop for narrow stock and the handrail fence. So get them at your favorite Festool dealer.